In this video, we're going to learn the most essential English words and phrases that are commonly used in the business world. Whether you work in an office, run your own business, or are just starting out in your career, understanding business vocabulary can help you speak more professionally and confidently. By the end of this lesson, you'll be familiar with key terms used in meetings, emails, negotiations, and general office conversations. 1. Common business terms. Let's start with some basic business terms that you'll hear often in any workplace. Deadline. This means the final time or date by which something must be done. Example: we need to finish this report before the deadline. Budget. This refers to the amount of money planned for a project or period. Example: our marketing budget is limited this month. Revenue. The total income a company earns from selling products or services. Example: the company's revenue increased last year. Expenses. The money a business spends on things like salaries, rent, or supplies. Example: we need to reduce our monthly expenses. Profit. The amount of money left after all expenses are paid. Example: the company made a good profit this quarter. These words are used in almost every business discussion. Understanding them is the first step in speaking business English fluently. 2. Workplace communication phrases. Next, let's learn some useful phrases you can use while speaking with your colleagues or clients. Let's touch base later. This means to talk again or follow up on something. Example: let's touch base after the meeting to finalize the plan. Can we schedule a meeting? A polite way to ask someone to plan a meeting. Example: can we schedule a meeting to discuss the project details? I'll get back to you. This means you'll respond later with an answer or update. Example: I'll get back to you once I confirm with the manager. I'm tied up right now. This means you're busy and can't talk or help at the moment. Example: I'm tied up with reports at the moment. Can we talk later? These phrases are especially useful for day-to-day interactions in an office environment. 3. Business meetings vocabulary. Meetings are a big part of any business, and knowing how to use the right words during a meeting is very important. Agenda. The list of topics to be discussed during a meeting. Example: the meeting agenda includes marketing strategies and new hires. Minutes. The written record of what happened during the meeting. Example: can you share the meeting minutes with the team? Brainstorm. To discuss and share new ideas. Example: let's brainstorm some fresh ideas for the campaign. Consensus. When everyone agrees on a decision. Example: after a long discussion, we reached a consensus. Action plan. A detailed plan of steps to take after the meeting. Example: we need to create an action plan to meet our goals. These terms will help you take part in meetings more confidently and understand what's happening around you. 4. Email vocabulary and formal phrases. Emails are a major part of business communication. Let's learn some formal phrases often used in professional emails. I hope this message finds you well. A polite way to begin a formal email. Please find attached. Used when you are sending a document or file. I'm writing to inform you. A formal way to start giving information. Should you have any questions? A polite way to offer further help. Looking forward to your response. A polite way to end the email. Here is a short example of how these can be used. Dear Mr. Khan, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to inform you about our new pricing model. Please find attached the updated document. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Looking forward to your response. Best regards, Aisha Malik. 5. Sales and marketing vocabulary. If you work in sales, marketing, or customer service, these words are commonly used. Target audience, the group of people you want to sell your product to. Example, our target audience is young professionals aged 25 to 35. Brand, the image or identity of a company. Example, we need to improve our brand awareness. Market research, the process of collecting information about what customers want. Example, we're doing market research before launching the new product. Lead, a potential customer. Example, we received 100 new leads from our ad campaign. Conversion, turning a potential customer into a buyer. Example, our conversion rate has improved after the website update. Knowing these terms will help you sound more professional when discussing business strategy. 6. Human resources, HR vocabulary. If you're applying for a job, working in HR, or attending interviews, these words are very helpful. Candidate, a person applying for a job. Example, we have shortlisted 5 candidates for the interview. Resume, or CV, a document that shows your work experience and skills. Example, please send your updated resume. Interview, a conversation to assess someone for a job. Example, your interview is scheduled for Monday at 10 a.m. Performance review, a meeting to discuss how well an employee is doing. Example, the annual performance review will be next week. Promotion, getting a higher position at work. Example, after 2 years of hard work, she got a promotion. These are essential if you want to talk confidently about jobs and career growth. 7. Financial vocabulary. Financial vocabulary is useful for talking about money and business results. Investment, putting money into a business to earn more later. Example, the company made a big investment in new technology. Assets, things owned by the business that have value. Example, the building and equipment are company assets. Liabilities, money the company owes. Example, the company is working to reduce its liabilities. Invoice, a document that shows how much a customer must pay. Example, please send me the invoice for last month's services. Balance sheet, a financial report showing the company's assets and liabilities. Example, the balance sheet gives an overview of the company's financial position. This vocabulary is useful when talking with accountants, managers, or clients. Conclusion. In this video, we learned essential English vocabulary and phrases used in the business world. We explored terms related to daily office work, meetings, emails, sales, human resources, and finance. These words will help you sound more professional, write better emails, and understand conversations in a workplace setting. Keep practicing these terms and try using them in your daily work conversations. With time and effort, your business English will continue to improve.